Hey everybody, so this is how you play Parallel Line by Keith Urban. There's no capo in its standard tuning. It's super easy. There's 4 chords. You use them the entire time. You switch the order once and that's it. I'm going to teach you the intro first, the intro and outro. You also play it in between the verses, in between the first and second verse as well. So super easy. So you start with your bird finger. You put it on the G string on the 7th fret, and you're going to slide it to the 9th fret, okay? And then with your pointer finger, you're going to push it down on the 8th fret, okay? So I don't know if you can see that, but like that. You'll push it down on the 8th fret on the B string, and then you're going to hit, you're going to not hammer, but hit down and do that. So on the 10th fret on the B string. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go 7 to 9 on G, and then on the B string, 8, and then 10 with your ring finger, okay? So it sounds like this. Okay, and you're going to like mute it real quick after. Then you're going to do the same thing, but the last note is different. So you go 7 to 9 on the G string, 8 on the B string, and then 7 on the G string again. All right, so it goes like this. Okay, and you do that twice, and then you go into the verse. So the verse is super simple. It's C, and then it's like an F variation. So then you just put your pinky down, and you put it on the 3rd fret on the D string. So it's C, and then the F variation. Okay, and then you're gonna do A minor. So for all 3 of these, you just leave your pointer finger where it was, but A minor, and then you're gonna do G. Okay, so it's C. I like to mute it after every one, so it's C, F, A minor, G. Okay? Said I love you to me, I don't know what that means. Okay? And you just keep repeating it. So then when it comes to the pre-chorus, the difference is you start with the F variation and then you go into the C. Okay, so it's time. Okay? First time you play it all the way through, you play F, C. The second time, C, so F, C. You skip A minor and you just go straight to G. Alright, and that's take a little bit of my heart tonight. No, I literally don't mind. Just please don't misplace it. Okay, so you do that. And then after that, you're going to go back into, and you could skip this. And nobody, like people, unless they really know the song, are just still going to think it's cool. But you don't have to play but that technically goes in between the verses. Now, there is a different strumming pattern a little bit that he plays, like when the song gets a little bit more, towards more to the end of the song. So it's baby be mine now, baby be mine now. So when he's doing the chorus, that's when there's, so it's C, C, mute, F, all right, A minor, mute, G, okay? Baby, be mine now, baby, be mine now, baby, it's time we put our hearts in a parallel line. And then it's and I said that's the end of the song. That's actually the end of the chorus is what I meant to say. But yeah, so, I mean, that's the whole song. You can also play it if you want to, instead of doing this and then muting, you can actually just palm mute. And palm muting is putting your hand as low as you can on the strings, but touching the strings, and then strumming them like that. If you have it higher, you won't be able to like hear it. It doesn't make the right sound. So you want it as low as you can, but still touching the strings. So you could do said I love you to me, I don't know what that means. So frozen my feet, people use it so carelessly. So you could do it like that as well. I'm going to leave that up to you and let you do what you want. But if you like this video, please subscribe so that you can learn some new songs when I put them out. And let me know if there's any other songs you'd like me to teach in the future in the comments. Thanks.